So, my name is Mira Cervino, and for my, I'll just start. This is my 20 times project. So, for my project, I spent 20% out of class each week to study and research more about Bob Ross and his TV show, The Joy of Painting, and I followed one of his tutorials. So, to start at like the roots as to why I chose this, there's two main points of inspiration for me. One was that I grew up in Austin, Texas, where there was music and art, and I was like constantly surrounded by that like 24/7. And another thing was my dad. That's him. And that's Bob. So my dad introduced me to Bob Ross, and like as a kid, I used to have like really bad like nightmares, and he would like play Bob Ross for me. It's weird. So some more background is that like I wanted to do this because he really helped with like anxiety, and I've had a really hard week, and so like it was just so like relax and do some painting. So I started this, and I was really excited, but I did come across some issues that I thought were issues at first. When I really, you'll see. So some of the issues that I faced was that he used a different technique than I did. He used a wet-on-wet oil painting technique, and I didn't have oils, so I used acrylics, which makes it way more harsh of a color. Another thing was that he's a professional, and I am not. And so while he would do this in 23 minutes, I ended up spending an hour and a half on my painting. It took a while. And I was really worried of messing up, so I would like be really careful and really diligent about like what I'm doing, which then at the next point I realized that this really isn't what Bob Ross preaches. It's not like his goal when he's doing these tutorials. His quote, of course, "We don't make mistakes, just happy accidents," is something that I had to learn like a little bit throughout the painting when I was like, why am I stressing over this? It's not something I need to stress over. And his whole entire like series is about relaxing and like being free with whatever you do, and it's your own world. And he says a lot that like you get to play God at this point because you're creating your own world, and it's just really great. So in conclusion, did I succeed or fail? I think I succeeded. At first I was like, oh, I failed so bad, this is like an awful painting. And it's not great, but I worked hard at it, and I thought it was fine. I enjoyed myself, even if it's not just like he did. So this was my process. And then that's his. Hold on, that's his. And then this was the finished one that I did. It's not great. Okay. Yeah. It took a while. And then that we can like, if you've never watched Bob Ross before, we can watch like a really quick like 30 seconds of him. So like click the link. And I had it starting at a certain point.
This country is in desperate need of gun control.
You want to take away my rights to my...
Let's start with a little 2-inch brush. I'm going to a small amount of the phthalo blue.
And like
just tap a
his
little into
voice.
the bristles.
Okay.
Notice we pull the paint out very flat, so we can just pick up a little bit of. You go up here in this big pile, you go get too much. Just a little. Just a little, and we tap it into the bristles. That helps assure a nice even distribution of color all the way through it. Okay, let's go up in here. Now then, just making little X's, little crisscross strokes. Let's just put in a happy little sky. Just something like so. All the way across. There.
Wait.
That took me like 20 minutes.
About like that.
Yeah, hold on.
Doesn't much matter. Wherever you want it. That's exactly where it should be.
Yeah, okay, you can pause it.
I'll come down.
So that like took me a really long time to realize that it doesn't really, I don't have to do exactly what he does, and it's fine. Okay, thank you. Oh, wait.